Hello. Shall we go for next? What we can say the subjects. Okay. Now he, for example, take he third person singular. Third person singular. He sends. He sends a message. He sends a message. Here, whenever you find third person singular, the verb is here does. Okay, please remember, my dear students, whenever you find third person singulars, I think you know that because you have been studying from 6th standards onwards or lower standards onwards, you know that do, does, did. These are the main important verbs. Okay, do, does are simple present tense. Okay, so here does form is there. Just remember, whenever you find third person singulars, what are the third person singulars? He, she, it. Whenever you find in simple present tense, the rule applicable does. Whenever you find simple present tense, how can you say that it is simple present tense? Here sends. Sends. Third person singulars, he, she, it. These are the subjects you put add does. Okay, does is important. The verb is does. That's why here yes is added. The verb here yes is added to the verb whenever you find the third person singulars. This is very important rule in especially simple present tense. Remember, once again repeating. Here he, she, it. These are the three subjects. Third person singulars. Whenever you find these third person singulars in simple present tense, verb must be added yes or es according to the verb. Yes or es. Now you see, yes is added. Send. In the last class, we discussed only send. But here, yes is added because the subject is singular. When the subject is singular, third person singular, verb must be added yes. Right, okay. But here, the verb is the helping verb, that is does. That is does is here. Whenever I find here do and we find do, you find do, he, see, they subject. If the subject is they do their homework, you do your homework, we do our homework, I do my homework. Likewise, whenever you find he does his homework, she does her homework. She does her homework, it does its homework. Likewise, the subject and verb agreement is very important. Okay. Now this one, he does not. Understand? He does not. He does not send. He does not send a message. Okay. It does not send a message. You know that how the does form is placed here? Because in simple present tense, whenever the third person singulars must follow does. Remember, question. So first here, what is the verb here? Does. Does comes in the beginning of the sentence. Does he send a message? You think you find one here very important point. You just find out here. Does written here first because the verb is here. Comes in the beginning of the sentence. Okay. Does he sends? Some children committed blunder mistake while writing, especially this question. Sir, already sends, sent. Whenever third person singular comes, verb must be add yes or es. But here, does he send a message? We have to write. Don't add yes or es to the verb because already here the verb comes in the beginning of the sentence here. That's why not supposed to write yes or es after the subject whenever you find. Okay, this is very important. One rule in English, one rule you try to understand, that is do, does, did. Already I told you these verbs. Whenever these verbs find in English, verb must be followed V1. Verb must be followed V1. You see, for example, does. What is there here? Send. Don't add yes or es. Okay. Do, does, did. These are the verbs in English. In simple present tense, especially did is past tense. Did is past tense. Whenever you find these verbs, don't write yes or es to the verb. Verb must be V1, follows V1 after these verbs. This is very important point. The next question tag. Does. Here, first of all, find out the statement is positive or negative. This is positive statement. Then put a negative question tag. Okay. Doesn't he. Always the question tag must be begins with small letter. Okay. And now, does he. Because the statement is negative, does not. That's why positive question tag. Does he. In passive voice, passive voice. What is the object here? A message. A message. Okay. Is. A message is sent. Already I told you in passive voice, the verb must be always V3. A message is sent by him. He becomes him. The message is sent by him. This is the passive voice according to the statement which is given. Now go for another. She sends a message. She sends a message. So here the verb is there, that is does. She does not, because third person singular, we must follow the verb must be followed. She does. Why we are not writing here? In the sense, simple present is not supposed to write here does. Just we remember that there is the verb is there does. Okay, because it is simple present tense, verb is given. That's why does is there. That's why she does not. Negative. We are writing negative. She does not send. Don't write yes. Already I told you do, does, did. Whenever you find the verbs after that, the V1 must be followed. Yes, here. She does not send a message. Okay. Question. Question always capital letter. Does she send a message? Put question mark. Already I told you in the last class. Does she send a message? It's a question. So yes or no question. Does she send a message? Yes or no? The answer is expecting answer yes or no. Yes or no question. This one. Okay. We can write in yes or no question also here because it is congesting. Board is somewhat congesting. That's why not able to write. Right. Next question tag. Question tag. Question tag negative. When the statement is positive, put negative question tag. Small letter. Doesn't she? Okay. Does she? For a message, because object, we are writing object. A message is sent. SEND, because sending. That's why here verb is V3. Always in passive voice, verb must be always V3. A message is sent by her. This is the passive voice. Okay. Now it. Okay. Take it sends a message. I think you will get on doubt. It sends a message. It sends a message means what? It sends with the cell phone. It means here phone, computer, electronic gadgets sends message. Okay, likewise here, and does is there. It does not send. Not supposed to write here. Here yes or yes, not supposed to add. Why? Because does. Already I told you do, does, did. After that V1. It does not send a message. Okay. And now negative question. Beginning capital letter. Does it send a message? Question mark. This is yes or no question. Don't add yes or es to the verb, because already I told you do, does, did. Always follow V1 verb. Right? Next, doesn't it? Yeah, does it? A message is sent. Sent by, it becomes it only. It sends a message, it does not send a message. Does it send a message? Doesn't it? Does it? A message is sent by it. Sometimes you see double H questions also, we can take one column, another column, that is double H questions here, because my board is not sufficient to write that one. So just I will explain about that one. See here, double H questions, you know, why, when, where, who, whom, whose, already in the last previous class we discussed that. So here when we put here why does he send a message? When we put here when does he send a message? Where does he send a message? How does he send a message? Okay. Which message? Whenever you find here some words which and what, which, what. And such type of question words not supposed to write which does he send a message is wrong. What does he send a message is wrong. How to frame the question with this interrogative double H questions here. Take the subject. Which plus subject, what plus subject. What message does he send? Which message does he send? So such type of forming the questions like which and what. Okay, this is very important topic, especially for 10th class students. How to, because in this class what I am explaining, the different types of topics. All topics are, I mean, especially in the particular area, just mixing all the topics in one topic. Actually, you see, 10th class students, pass over is separate chapter, question type is separate chapter, question is separate chapter. So statement. Each and every topic they have to follow, but no need to follow that one. Just this table is enough for all topics. Whatever, almost all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double H questions also take. 6 topics are covered in this. I mean, especially in this table. So that's why please concentrate. If you have any doubts regarding this one, put comment section. Thank you very much.